speed really helped me in organizing my studies. That's true because the videos to organize the important topics, to highlight the important points, that was a really great help from speed. So I would advise people to join speed and start preparation. I'd like to thank speed for giving me a direction, helping me. And the grand tests were also very good because that is what I use for practicing the questions and how to attempt the questions and how to mark the questions. So yes, speed was a really great experience and it really helped me in.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to you.
Thank you, sir.
Scoring
Thank you.
topmost rank of rank number 6 in head and neck MCH head and neck oncology.
Thank you, sir.
Great. And also thank you for the time taken to allocate for this, to share your experiences with us and also to the students watching it.
No problem, sir. Thank you for having me.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Can we know what inspired you to do a super specialty, when you decided to do and start with that, and what you did to achieve a topmost rank?
Okay. So I am working presently in Aligarh Muslim University as an assistant professor in the Department of ENT. And I had thought about super specialty when I had finished my senior residentship. But then I thought I should learn ENT first and then pursue super specialty. So it was on the back bench for a while. But after I did my assistant professorship for about 3 years, I started thinking about it again. So that's when I really started preparing for my super specialty exam.
Great, great. Nice to know. And once you started to prepare, and what you prepare, how you prepare, and what is the duration you have spent for this? What is the amount and time and effort you have put into it? Can you share on the preparation strategy?
Sure, sir. So I started thinking about it a year back because, like, the main reason was because I know, like, from 10 years from now, ENT will be a super specialty branch, even if it is not now. So it was important for me to do super specialty, and I have special interest in head and neck oncology cases. That's why I pursued this. So I started thinking about, I think, in 2024 beginning, and I gave the tests exams again and again, even INI and NEET both. But seriously, I started preparing only about 6 months back. August 2025, I started preparing, and I gave the exam in December 2025.
Great, great, amazing it
So it
was.
was almost 6 months, 5 to 6 months.
Great, wonderful. So the number of questions you attended this exam, can you share something on this paper, what you felt about?
Yes, so I did about 140 questions. 10 I left, didn't mark. So because those 10 were like the topics I had never read, that is why I left them. But around 140 questions I attempted, and the correct questions were 118 according to my score.
Very good. What do you feel about the paper? What was the difficulty level, and what was the exit standard or super specialty standard?
It was exit standard, but slightly more difficult than the exit standard. It was somewhere in between, not exactly super specialty standard, not exactly exit standard. It was somewhere in between. Yes, it was difficult. It was much more difficult than the previous year paper.
Great. Thanks for sharing it. And who introduced Speed to you? And what was your experience with Speed for this exam?
Okay, so one of my juniors was preparing for MCH about a while back, though he didn't get through. But he introduced me to Speed and he gave me the number of your managers. And then I joined the Speed. I think I joined in 2024 only.
Okay, great. Now, what will be your message for the future aspirants of MCH and oncology?
Okay, so Speed really helped me in organizing my studies. That's true because the videos that were there of Scott Brown chapters, that were really important, and they really helped me to like organize the things, because otherwise the things were haphazard. So I needed to organize the important topics, to highlight the important points. That was a really great help from Speed. So I would advise people to join Speed and start their preparation. I think 6 months is enough for preparing, but you have to like give it a direction.
Great. Now, time to thank, and whom all you feel that you want to thank, that they help you from day one till date in your career. You can use this platform to thank everybody.
Okay, so first of all, my parents and my husband, they were really supportive the whole time. And then I would like to thank Speed for giving me a direction, helping me. And the grand tests were also very good because that is what I use for practicing the questions and how to attempt the questions and how to mark the questions. So yes, speed was a really great experience, and it really helped me in overcoming the obstacles in the paper.
Great, wonderful. And thanks for sharing all your experiences and the method
Thank you.
of preparation and all that. Once again,
Thank
we wish you all the best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career.
Thank you, sir.
Oncology. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.